Good afternoon. A leading health expert has warned MPs that the UK could face many more waves of coronavirus and could end up with Europe's highest death rate because the government didn't act quickly enough. Professor Anthony Costello told the Commons Health Committee the UK must make sure that in the second wave we are not too slow. The Health Secretary Matt Hancock has been defending the government's strategy.
The goal is clearly to bend the curve down and to make sure the NHS capacity is there, and at the same time to do the work to try to improve the ability of us as a society to cope with this disease.
Wuhan, the city at the centre of the coronavirus pandemic, has revised its death toll upwards by 50%. China added an extra 1,200 to the number who died in the city, bringing the total number of deaths to nearly 3,900. State media said the figure was initially underestimated due to its health system being overwhelmed during the early stages of the outbreak. China denied it was covering up the true scale. Meanwhile, China's economy has taken its biggest hit in decades due to the outbreak, reporting a 6.8% slump in the first quarter. The world's second largest economy recorded its worst performance since sweeping free market reforms in the 70s. The country declared victory over the virus in early March and started reopening factories and offices, even as the United States and Europe were tightening controls. Donald Trump has unveiled plans to allow the easing of lockdown restrictions in the US, suggesting some states could reopen this month. The United States has reported over 32,000 deaths and more than 650,000 cases. President Trump said a prolonged lockdown could take a heavy toll on public health. The House Speaker, Nancy Pelosi, branded the new guidelines vague and inconsistent. And only 9% of people in the UK want life to be exactly like it used to be after the outbreak is over, according to a new survey by YouGov. Nearly 40% of those questioned said they are catching up with friends and family more. People said they were also noticing cleaner air, more wildlife and stronger communities. And that's the news. We're back tonight at 7.